Hi everyone, let's talk about something different. Look, I want to talk about what is the deep work. We all think that we 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 quickly decide some decision and then it is the quality of deep work. We all people never think about this responsibility. You can say that this decision, only any decision you can say that. We always take a decision at the right moment and the same moment because we never think that it could be a other side, it could be a default side. Maybe we just take a decision at the moment. If we all try to understand what is the deep work, if you think about your decision at a at a deep level, you can got a solution out of your conclusion. What you made your conclusion this not matter for you. What is the real conclusion? It's matter for you. If you want to take your decision, then stay with the problem, stay with your question, and then after a 2 3 days, it maybe took a 1 week, 1 month, couple of months, but after a day month you can get your solution properly with deep working. We all know that, but we actually never did it because lots of distractions are available in our society. Because we think that what person did they did, what person they don't did. We always think about others. We didn't think about we don't think about itself, that what I do, what we do, this is actually matter. And I'm trying to say that I'm actually like that. I'm trying to improve my self ability to consider myself that I am not that type of person that I can interfere in others' life. I can interfere in my life, what I am and what I am want to become, and what is my interest. I want to find this question. I never want to find the others' problem. Look, if you are not able to find out your solution, then you are not able to find out other solution. Look, I know that sometime you get so emotional, and there are lots of family member are emotionally blackmail you, and lots of relations are like cheap. But you can say that it's okay, no problem. You can say it's you can accept it, and you can neglect it also, depending on your solution, depending on your ability. If you want to change your ability, if you want to work deep, then you have to consider yourself that no, I can do. Why not? I know that you have a difficulty for your children, but it's okay. It just took 1 year to learn this the English process. You are not in that situation that you are able to say actually that you are a good person and you are a deep worker. No, you have to consider yourself that no, I have to do for many years that I can increase my focus, increase my ability, push myself that limits of my mind. Every person have a different ability, I can't say. And we think that we always think that we should make ourselves like that person, but it's not true. And it is the best material for your mind. If you want to become your new version, then you have to push your limit, push your interest, push your ability. What are you doing actually, and what is your interest, what is your passion, through deep work. If you want to find your interest, then you have to live with your question. And I'm actually trying to figuring out what is my interest. Look, I want to develop my English speaking skill. Okay, I will try. I'm trying this. I want to increase my English understanding. Okay, I'm trying, but this is not enough. I actually I actually face it, and then I realized no, this skill is not enough to enter the artificial intelligence, you can say, enter the in competition. If you want to work from home, then you have to find out your other solution, and with deeply. So deep work is most important for everyone, and also you. And I actually perceive this deep work, and this is my thinking. I hope I can eligible to understand you, and I'm trying to best my every day. It could be a fault, it would be my passion, whatever you can say. Thank you.